Mkwanazi, we are not fanatics of Mkwanazi. Right now we are not ball boys of Mkwanazi or ball girls of Mkwanazi. We stand with the truth. And if you blunder, we will tell you this is not right. We don't care whether it's Mkwanazi or not. Mkwanazi has given us issues. We are dealing with those issues. He must stop being sensitive that everyone who doesn't speak good about him, that person becomes the enemy. If he's a true policeman, let him remain true policeman and allow Madlanga and the ADO committee to deal with what he has raised. He must never think he can blackmail or threaten anyone. We are not scared of policemen. When we joined the struggle, we were taught not to be scared of a policeman. We have not done it when we were young. We are not going to do it when we are old. Mkwanazi is fighting General Khan. And every time he fights General Khan, he drags the EFF name, he drags the CIC's name to fight General Khan. Let him fight Khan if they've got their own issues and leave the EFF out of their nonsense, because EFF is not part of any nonsense they are fighting about in the police.
Yep guys, Ngizwe Mchunu made a statement after Julius Malema delivers his own statement saying that Mkwanazi is a coward, guys. So this didn't sit well with Ngizwe Mchunu, guys. So according to Ngizwe Mchunu, in other words, Julius Malema has insulted Mkwanazi, and if you insult Mkwanazi or if you are fighting with Mkwanazi, you are fighting with the Zulu tribe or the Zulu nation, guys. So now they are banning Malema from KwaZulu-Natal, so they don't want to see Malema at KwaZulu-Natal. From now on, he is no longer welcome. He is no longer welcome or allowed in KZN, guys. So Julius Malema must not set his foot in KwaZulu-Natal, guys. Here's Ngizwe Mchunu saying that.
uJulius Malema akasamukelekile kwaSuku uthuke ubaba uMkhwanazi isidingo singekho efanele alinde. uJulius Malema wathuka mina, wathuka isilo, wathuka umuntu ophinda angene, wa-undermine uJacob ngeJexisa Zuma esekwazi ukumhlonipha kufika ngakusasa yena wabona kungcono ukuthi ayothi down noJacob Zuma down. And leyo nto leyo asiyidingi ukuthi ingaba yikusasa lelizwe. uJulius Malema icorruption yakhe indala. Mina ngatshena uFloyd Shivambe ukuthi uJulius Malema bathi nalo uJulius Malema bathi imali ekuruleni baclaima more than 10 million ngenyanga bacontrola isecurity yasekuruleni, and I'm the witness of that because into ebalekile la no chairperson lakhona uDumo nabafakazi babili uchairperson kanye noFloyd Shivambe bengenxa ukuthi mina ngijoyine lamanyala okuthiwa i-EFF. athi mina never. So into ezakalayo namanje njengoba hlangana noMkhwanazi nje uJulius ingoba wayezonce uMkhwanazi ukuthi atshale amaphoyisa ukuthi ashaye mina ngoba mina I had an event on the same day lokuvula amabhinqa lapha. Wayezosho wathi hey Mr. Mkhwanazi, this is this so fool calling Ngizwe, he's want you to step us. Ingakho bafika bashisa amatende lapha workshop menza yonke. Ngiyifuna le show Julius Malema, ngiyifuna le screen.
That was Ngizwe Mchunu saying that Julius Malema is no longer welcome at KwaZulu-Natal because he insulted General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi without any reason. He should have waited for General Mkhwanazi to finish his statement or to justify himself, according to Ngizwe Mchunu, guys. I don't know what to say on this one, guys. You can leave your comment in the comment below. I really love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel.